Hello, assalamu alaikum. Can all of you confirm if you can hear me? Please confirm if you can hear me. Great, thank you. Finally, all right, okay. We're still facing an issue with Furqan's audio, and he's trying to reconnect. वो जैसे ही reconnect कर लेते हैं, हम will kick off the session. Furqan, can you hear us now? फुरकान आप मुतहिद जरा फुरकान को बताएं कि वो ऑडियो के टैब में जाएं और वहां पर कनेक्ट करें इसको, उनका ऑडियो कनेक्टेड नहीं है. मुतहिद आपका ठीक है, फुरकान को यही करना पड़ेगा, ऑडियो के टैब में जाके कंप्यूटर ऑडियो, पहले फोन कॉल पे जाएं, दोबारा कंप्यूटर ऑडियो पे आएं और साउंड चेक कर लें. थैंक यू पुरतुलैन, थैंक यू. हम सिर्फ फुरकान की एक दफा चेक कर लें ऑडियो, एंड देन विल बी ओके. चलें, जब तक मुत्तहिद फुरकान को हेल्प करते हैं in connecting the audio, let me kick off the conversation. So आज वाला सेशन जो है हमारा, this is about resume writing. People call it resume, CV, profile. किसी ज़माने में इसको बायोडाटा भी कहा जाता था, but those are the terms that are not used anymore. I mean, resume or profile are the terms that are most commonly used. There is a difference between a resume and a profile also. Profile is very sketchy, top of the line, highlights about yourself, whereas a resume is more detailed. But importance of this document is such that there's a very simple test that if you send on your resume to different organizations, CV of course, yes, to different organizations, but you do not get a call back from them. If you send your resume to different organizations, but you do not get a call back from them, there is this resume thingy to be blamed. Ji, Furqan, thank you very much. आपकी आवाज आ रही है. Great. Can all of you confirm? Furqan, if you can speak to the audience and say hello to them. Let's see if they can hear
everyone. You. Everyone can hearing me? Anyone?
Okay, all right, great. So now they can hear you. So let me just complete my sentence, my initial statement, and then I'll hand over to you, Furqan. So resume, like I was saying, resume is to be blamed very clearly. अगर आप किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अपना रेज्यूमे भेजें और वहां से आपको इंटरव्यू की कॉल रिसीव नहीं हो, ओके, इसका मतलब ये है that either you've not been able to impress the employer with whatever you've written in it, or otherwise the qualities or the skills or the capabilities that you've listed out in your resume, they do not match with what the organization is looking for. Okay, so it is very important that before you send out your application or your resume to an organization against a particular job, you should have clearly understood what are the requirements of the job? Why is the organization hiring? I mean, that's a question that may be there. I mean, its answer may be there in the advertisement, or it may not be. But before making an application, you have to know this, that why is this organization hiring for a position, for a person in your position? Is it because the person who was working previously in this role has moved on, has been promoted, has been sent to another department? Or is it because the organization is growing? Or is it because the organization is facing a certain challenge, and as a result, they're trying to bring in an individual with your capabilities, for example, to take care of a particular aspect of their business? So it is very important that you clearly understand and know why the organization is going through this recruitment process. And then, very, very important, do not just pick up any of your previous resumes written for another organization and just send it on. Never do that. Okay? Always rewrite, not the entire resume, always rewrite your resume. Always focus this resume to what the job requirement or what the job asks for. Okay? So it is very important that, through your resume, you have to demonstrate an eagerness or desire or suitability of your credentials to the position